feel like I'm going to regret this so much. It is what it is. I mean, like, it's been 3 years that I haven't put anything on this hair. It's as dry as hell. And at one point I even felt like cutting off my hair and just like starting all over, or just like having short hair. I've never really had long hair throughout my life. I've always had short hair, so this was a huge transition for me, transitioning to natural hair. And as you guys can tell, my hair has really really been damaged, not by the heat, but then like lack of moisture as well as like dryness and stuff. So at this point I could obviously always moisturize it and go back and just like retain the moisture and like get my hair back to its normal voluptuous self. But to be honest, I haven't had the time. I've been feeling very lazy, not just today, not just this week or this month, but in the past 3 years since I've been to China. And mind you, there are a lot of natural hair products here for black girls and black women, but honestly I feel as if the island also contributed to the way I started feeling about my hair. It's really humid here, so whatever I do, my hair will always shrink. And it's really hot here, so I always preferred protective styles compared to leaving my hair out there and just natural, because I get hot with my own natural hair compared to like braids and waves. But then yeah, this is it. Damaged hair. When I stretch it out, it reaches just right under my armpits. And today is the day. I'm gonna go straighten this hair, and whatever happens happens. I need it to be soft. I just need to manage it again. And I don't know, it's been like 5 years that I haven't straightened this hair. So, and you guys, I haven't done anything, like I haven't been good to my hair. So I don't know. Look, I'm already straightening. See what I told you guys about the heat. Looking back on a time. Seems like it's about to rain. You guys, please just don't mind my room. My room is really dirty. Okay, there we go. No, we just couldn't get it right. I wish somebody would have told me.
拉这个直的，你以前拉过不？以前做过了没有？还没，从来没拉过。我的衣服没有。哦，等一下，我喷一点点水，看一下你发质。我的衣服。啊，that's when you know. The OG, the goats. 听不懂。那你不懂。你说什么？可以了。 What he's doing? 可以啊。耶！啊？有这个价钱的。嗯。但是不是这个意思？为什么这么贵？你这头发只有。
But everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would have told me that the bed feels warmer than it ever did when you were by my side. And now I don't have much, but baby, now I got my pride and my stride in my hindsight. Hey, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. And boy, you let me down, but I got up all by myself. You helped me live and learn that I don't need nobody else. Hey, through the hard tide, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. I'm 20/20 in hindsight. I'm looking up at the moon, and I know you're looking at it too. I wish somebody would've told me that everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would've told me, yeah, that the bed feels warmer than it ever did when you were by my side. And now I don't have much, but baby, now I got my pride and my stride and my hindsight. Hey, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. And boy, you let me down, but I got up all by myself. You helped me live and learn that I don't need nobody else. Hey, through the hard tide, I'm 20/20 in hindsight. I'm 20/20 in hindsight. That everything would change. I'm finally seeing it clear, and I know just what you are. I wish somebody would've told me that the bed feels warmer than
Cola? Oh, really?
I feel like crying, I swear. What the hell? Yeah. You can straighten natural hair. What do you mean? My life is over.
刚才那么捧了嘛，是吧？下次要过来我们这里了啊。
好。
你们在哪里工作啊？
我是学生。
在从哪吃饭吗？
我是在海域这边。
海域是吧？
是的。
挺好的，挺好的。那你下次呢，你就自己来我们这里就行了啊。
好的。
下次再在门口还要看一下。
好，不麻烦你们吗？
就自己过来就行了。
不麻烦吗？
你看他那个头发多也行啊，站辫一样的。
但是不可以。
Very good。
都行。你的英语说好。
你是干嘛？凑合。因为那个时间我们在就是什么？以前我们在就是海南市。他的英文那些讲的不好。
谁的英语？
有些人想学英语的多跟你学习啊。跳过去。
This is what we have right here. My hair looks shorter. My hair is permed. I'm not natural anymore. And I'm pissed. I am pissed. I'm ready. What the hell is going on? Man, I don't know what what's going on, you know. I do remember cutting this section of my hair when I was like removing my braids, but you guys, wow. This is not what I signed up for. This is not what I asked. This is not what we both agreed on. And for them to do me that